blood letter. Tier 8 to papunta sa inyo yung blood letter. Papunta sa inyo yung blood letter. Tier 8 to, tier 8. Ayan, nandyan. Papunta sa inyo yung blood letter
Okay, guys, dismounted sila.
Lahim ko. Focus.
Osi.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Ano sagot? 8 plus 8.
Okay. Ready to engage ha. Ready to engage. Up. Come.
Kaya magdikit ako.
Kaya magdikit. Huwag kayo magdikit. Don't get too close, guys. Ready. Ready lang. In 3, 2, 1. Up. Out lang. Dark. Defensive. Everyone, defensive.
Kaya na-first kayo lang sa likod.
Okay. Takbo lang.
Hold ko yung mga...
Okay. Ready on the clamp. In 3, 2, 1. Wala kayong damage.
Ano yung pambansang hayop?
Pambansang hayop, paano yun?
Defensive.
Walang Ano pambansang hayop ng Pilipinas? Diego, pambansang hayop.
Okay.
Ready. Come sa test. Ready, engaging in 3, 2, 1. Defensive. Come southwest. Okay, ready. Engaging in 3, 2, 1. Money. Putik. Walang pa.
Sige, wala. Ay, matutupag ko kayo.
Ready.
Okay,
Okay,
nape-pressure
come
sila.
southwest again. Come southwest again.
Wait.
Come southwest again.
Hold ko lang.
Okay, ready. Engaging in 3, 2, 1. Ano yan, may damage. Kulang pa rin.
Okay.
Kahit.
Come southwest, everyone, come southwest. Come southwest. Pineapple, go in the middle. Come. Come southwest. Okay, ready. Okay, hitting in 3, 2, 1. On me, damage. Okay, come southwest. Defensive again. Cloud. Come. Defensive, guys. Defensive. Okay, ready again. On my count. Ready. Ready on my count. Ready. Engaging in 3, 2, 1. On me.
Okay na sa akin.
Go back. Come west, guys. Come west. Come southwest. Everyone, come southwest.
Patayin nyo to.
Kill this guy. Space dip.
Kaya nga eh.
Ay, another party. Defensive.
I'm low on mana.
Hilang.
Low on mana.
Nawala yung dalawa.
Nahabol kami pre, nahabol.
Sige, punta rin sa amin.
Bigyan nyo na ito, boss Bruno. Nasa likod.
Guys. Come. Engaging in 3, 2, 1. Damage shield. Nice. Kill.
One man.
Patay mo.
Walang kwenta yung Magir nito, walang kwenta yung Magir nito.
Tara, guys. Aksigang, tapos.
Pati si Axgang. Pati si
Ah,
Axgang. Tapos mga
napatay. Rigger ako, rigger. Dito ko.
Dito tayo. Ay, wait.
Out muna saglit. Out muna tayo. Out.
Ang dami nila.
Out, guys, out. Go on the blue portal. Enter, guys. Pineapple, sustain na siya. Pineapple, come. Let's reset. Wala yung damage natin. Kalang tayo sa damage.
Anong action?
Ready. Heal. Wait lang. Nandiyan pa sila.
Doon, baka may OC ka doon. Yan doon.
Yan sila. Nasa ano ata sila? Sa pupatas. Dami.
Papatid na yung wire. Yun.
1-6 yung internal.
Okay, ready, guys. Ready. Engaging in 3, 2, 1. On me. Nice. Defensive. Mori, ba't ang lalim mo dyan?
Drop in Judy.
Kawan na lang.
Roll. Wait for my count. Okay, ready again. 5 seconds, 3. Engaging, now, ready.
Ganyan na laro sa atin.
Defensive, everyone. Defensive. Ready, engaging in 3, 2, 1. On me. Nice clamp. One more.
Nice one.
One dead.
Go, full push.
Oh, galag ako, wait lang.
Stop them, ah. Go.
5 seconds.
Looking.
5 seconds. Ready. In 3,
Go.
1. On me.
Putangin na nyo!
Nice.
Patay. Nice one.
Go.
Isa pa, may sayang lang.
Pagkakuha kayo, bakit sa pins nyo?
May natira isa.
Keep going.
Go. Ano nyo lang. Hold ko sila.
Matap ako. Teka. Hindi ako makakabol.
Kaya ano nyo. Hold ko sila.
Guys, putangin ng mga yan! Patayin nyo! Guys!
Oh, go in the front.
Nice.
Nasa front ako.
Nice.
Wait lang naman natin kasama.
Some DPS at the back. Go mount up.
Guys!
Mount up, guys. Mount up, guys. Guys.
They one at the back. Go mount up, guys.
Okay na. Magpunta pa ako.
Mamaya balik yan! Tank token nyo, kill guys, kill yan!
Advance, everyone, advance.
Dito ako. Kunin ko to.
Okay.
Kita.
Tang! Damage!
Sige lang. Ito na lang. Hindi na ma-chase yung iba. Hans, pwede yata yun sa action nila.
Hey, Tyler.
Ito. One behind. One behind. Sige.
Tignan mo guys, kill nito! Andip tang guys! Kinangina guys, damage!
Patay.
Bakit ka lang?
Isa pa.
Bakit ka nagagalit?
Okay, ako malaki sa inyo. Walang isang
Nice.
May impact nyo.